This video outlines how to program a new or replacement ignition key for Cadillac vehicles manufactured from 2002 onwards. Note, this procedure is for vehicles that utilize a transponder key system, also known as an immobilizer system. First, confirm that the replacement key is the correct type for your vehicle. Look for a PK3 or similar marking, indicating it's a transponder key compatible with the Cadillac system. You'll also need all existing working keys. The procedure requires these to be programmed alongside the new key during the same session. Failing to do so will render the old keys unusable. Have your vehicle's owner's manual handy, as it may contain vehicle-specific nuances. Finally, ensure your car battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the programming process. The Cadillac key programming process works through the vehicle's Immobilizer system, which uses encrypted signals between the key and engine control unit. Begin the programming sequence by inserting a previously programmed functional key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position and wait approximately 10 seconds until the security light turns off. Immediately remove the working key and insert the new key you want to program. Turn the new key to the on position and wait another 10 seconds until the security light turns off again. Start the vehicle to confirm the key has been successfully programmed. Repeat this process for any additional keys you wish to program. If the new key fails to start the vehicle after following these steps, double-check the procedure and key compatibility. In some cases, professional programming may be necessary.